let's get started. Namaste IAS, Swagatam. Today we are here, to present, as Arpit mentioned, Bharat Milap, and we have taken few pages of Ayodhya Kand from the Ramayana, also known as or also written as Ramcharitmanas, and we will be doing a sacred narration of Bharat Milap. The Ayodhya Kand of the Ramayana describes Bharat Milap, the emotional meeting between Rama and his brother Bharat in Chitrakoot. Bharat, who had been away when Rama was exiled, rushed to meet him to plead for his return to Ayodhya, which Rama ultimately declined. After long discussion based on dharma, Bharat accepted Rama's command, placing his sandals, also known as Khanau, on the throne and ruling as Rama's representative for 14 long years. Bharat also asked Rama to promise not to take even one extra day beyond the 14 years, else he would end his life. Jahan Ram, wahan Bharat chale, jahan dharm, wahan desh pale. Bharat Milap shows us two very important qualities. Bharat's bhakti, that his love is not for the throne but for his elder brother. Rama's dharma, that is steadfast truth and obedience towards dharma and not the throne. So today here we have Maharada Purushottam Sri Ramchandra Ji, Dharmatma Bharat, Ramanuj Lakshman, and I will be doing the narration. And as we know, Ramcharitmanas or Ramayana has been written in a poetic way, so I will try to, or we will rather try to do it in a poetic presentation. Hope you guys enjoy. So let's get started. Long ago in Ayodhya Nagari bright, when King Dashrath ruled with noble might, the sun had set on Ayodhya's pride, where joy once bloomed on every side. Now silence dwells in royal hall, as state has cast his shadow tall. Dashrath, the king, has bred his last, bounded by a promise from his past. O Rama, he cried, my life, my son, and with that name his soul was done. For Kaikeyi's wish, so harsh, so dire, sent Rama forth through the forest fire. Beside him, Sita, Lakshman true, left the crown and comfort for love's anew. One path liye chale Raghurai, संग सिया लक्ष्मण छवि छाई, अयोध्या रोई और जग व्याकुल, पिता हुए वियोग से विह्वल. But far away, when Bharat heard this bitter fate, his heart wept loud and tears run late. No crown he sought, no royal name, only his brother's love as the eternal flame. His heart in grief and thunder flew. O Dharma, O love, what a cruel decree, my brother suffers because of me. Bharat chale suman sab satha, prem magan man tan sukh matha. Through the dust and the forest wild came Bharata, humble, not in style, with a pure heart and tearful eyes, to find his Rama on the forest skies.
Brother, a cloud of dust I see, a mighty host moves speedily. Perhaps the foe from a distant land comes near, with sword in wicked hand.
Peace, dear Lakshman, calm thy mind. No evil here thy eyes shall find. That dust belong to love, not hate. He is Bharat who walks by fate.
Bharat prem basubay vibhora, sadar sasu pae sivnaye. Ram Bharat dui bhai suhaye, dekh sakuch sur nagar na aaye.
Oh brother mine, forgive me. My mother's deed has led astray.
Not thine the sin, but mine the shame. Ayodhya burns with my name.
Rise, Bharat, hold me tight. But for our mother, don't say bad or anything light. Our father's word is sacred flame. We both must guard his holy name.
If love you hold so deep and pure, why cause this pain we must endure? The crown was yours, you cast it wide, and sent my Rama to the wide.
O Lakshman, pierce me not with blame, for guilt already burns like a flame. I came not crowned, I came in tears, to bow to Rama through these years.
Enough, dear Lakshman, peace be still. Let love, not anger, guide thy will. Each heart must bear its destined part, but faith not falter though we part.
राम भरत मिलन सब ही सुखदाई, देखो सुनो जन हर्ष समाई। रघुपति कहे भरत सम भाई, सत्य धर्म मम प्रिय पुनिताई।
Come home, O Rama, rule our land. Ayodhya waits with folded hand. Without the grace, all joy has fled. Our nights are dark, our hearts are dead.
Dear Bharat, how sweet thy plea, yet bound by vow and destiny. Our father's word must still be done. 14 years till exile is run.
What worth is a word if hearts must break? Why Dharma asks such pain to take? Without the lotus smile, all life is vain. Return, my Lord, and end this pain.
Dharma is truth, though hearts may cry. Its flame must burn, though tears run dry. For promise kept through joy or strife is the soul of noble life.
धर्म वही जो सत्य निभावे, पिता वचन हित जग बिसरावे। प्राण जाए पर वचन न टूटे, रघुकुल रीत कभी ना छूटे।
If you will not ascend the throne, then rule through your sandals alone. I will guard the land in beauty's name, but all shall know it's Rama's reign.
O Bharat, your heart's so pure, in you all virtue shall endure. Rule justly, keep our people's trust, for power unused is power just.
Two brothers bound by the love divine, how radiant through their hearts they shine.
Till 14 years have passed away, I will live in penance, night and day. No joy, no crown, no royal bed. Till Rama comes, my soul is dead.
Go Bharat, be steadfast, strong. In truth and love, thou canst not wrong. Our hearts are one, though miles to divide. I dwell within the soul inside.
Such love the world shall never forget, where Dharma binds hearts and sons have said.
भरत कहे सुनि रघुपति मोरा, रहूं न तुम बिन दिन दुई पूरा। जो तुम न आवहु नगर बसी, तो अब कीजे प्राण बसी। And thus, beneath the forest sky, where duty lived and self did die, the brothers' love became a flame that lit the wall in Rama's name. O seekers all, that take heed and see what Bharata showed through loyalty. For dharma and prem in balanced day, when ego fades and hearts obey. 14 years the sandals reign, yet never once did Bharat fame. He ruled his Rama's holy name and kept the light of truth aflame. So end this tale of hearts divine, of dharma and love in perfect line. May Rama's dignity Maryada in all hearts bloom, and the golden light in each Diwali's room. प्रेम विजय हो धर्म पुकारे, भरत राम का मिलन समारे, भक्ति की धारा बहती जाए, हर मन में अनंत दीप जलाएं. जय श्री राम and happy Diwali to all. Thank you.